Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Epirus Leonidas destroys 49 drones in largest swarm test at Camp Atterbury in Indiana. Axios. Epirus, high-power electromagnetic weapon, Leonidas, has destroyed 49 drones at once during a recent test, Axios reported. The demonstration, held at Camp Atterbury in Indiana, was observed by officials from the U.S. military as well as representatives from other nations. The event marks the largest drone swarm challenge faced by Leonidas to date. It is not clear whether the UAV's unmanned aerial vehicles approached as one formation or in separate groups from multiple directions. Leonidas is being developed for several applications, including fixed-site, trailer-mounted, mobile, and UAV unmanned aerial vehicle mounted versions. The system uses directed energy in the form of high-power microwaves to disable or damage onboard electronics, an approach that differs from more established jamming and laser-based counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system methods. High-power electromagnetic weapons such as Leonidas are attracting attention because of their potential to neutralize multiple drones simultaneously. Unlike jamming, they can affect drones operating autonomously or connected via fiber optic links, while also avoiding the high firing costs associated with kinetic systems. The technology is not without limitations, with range cited as a current drawback compared to laser weapons. However, proponents point to manageable power requirements, resilience against common countermeasures, and effectiveness against swarms as reasons for investment in the capability. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.